Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel.
Hi, everyone. We are so happy, and I mean so happy, that you are here with us today.
I'm Kate.
And I'm Martin. And today, wow, today is honestly one of my favorite topics we have ever talked about.
Really? Why?
Because this topic, it actually helped me personally. It changed how I practice English every single day.
Okay, now I'm excited, and our viewers are probably curious too.
They should be curious.
So, Martin, tell us, what are we talking about today?
Today, we are talking about how to use AI, artificial intelligence, to practice your English speaking every single day, at home, alone, for free.
Yes, and if you don't know what AI is, don't worry at all. We are going to explain everything step by step, very slowly, very clearly.
That's right, no confusing words, no complicated technology talk, just simple, practical English advice you can use today.
So, let's get into it. But first, Martin, can I ask you something personal?
Of course, always.
When you first started learning English, were you good at speaking?
Oh no, no. Absolutely not.
Tell us, tell the viewers.
Okay, so I remember one time my English teacher asked me a simple question. Martin, what did you do last weekend?
That's an easy question.
I know, but my brain, completely empty, like a white page, nothing. I just stood there and said, yes,
Yes? That was your answer?
just yes, that's all I had. The whole class was looking at me. It was terrible.
Oh, Martin, I feel so sorry for you. But also, I completely understand because I had a very similar experience.
Really? You always seem so confident.
Now, yes, but before, no. I remember I was at an airport and the woman at the check-in desk asked me, "Did you pack your bag yourself?" A very simple question,
Yes, very simple.
and I panicked. I forgot the word yes. I actually forgot yes.
You forgot yes?
I forgot yes. I just nodded like this.
Okay, that is beautiful. That is so human.
And that is exactly why we are making this video today, because we have both been there. We know that feeling, and we want to help you never feel that way again.
Because there is a solution, and it's easier than you think.
Okay, so Martin, let's start from the very beginning. What is AI? Explain it like I'm 5 years old.
Okay, like you're 5. So, AI means artificial intelligence. Artificial means not real, not human. Intelligence means it can think and answer.
So it's like a very, very smart computer program.
Exactly. It can read your message, it can understand you, and it can reply like a real person.
And the most famous one right now is called ChatGPT. Have our viewers heard of it?
Maybe some have, some haven't, and that is completely okay. But here is the important thing. ChatGPT is free. You go to the website, you make an account, and you start using it. No cost, no subscription needed for the basic version.
And you can use it on your phone, on your computer, anywhere.
Anytime. 2 in the morning, ChatGPT is awake.
Unlike some people.
Unlike me, I am not awake at 2 in the morning.
Okay, so the big question, how do we actually use AI to practice English every single day? Let's go through this properly, step by step.
Yes, I have 5 ways, 5 really powerful ways that any English learner can start using today. Are you ready, viewers?
Are you ready? Get a notebook, write these down. Or just save this video. That works too. Okay, number 1.
Number 1, use AI as your daily conversation partner.
This is the big one. Tell them.
So the problem most English learners have is they have nobody to practice speaking with. Their friends speak their native language, their family speaks their native language, there is no English speaker around them.
And that is such a common problem. So many of our viewers write to us about this exact problem.
Yes, and the solution is simple. You open ChatGPT and you type or even speak this message. Let's have a conversation in English. I am a beginner. Please use simple words and speak slowly. Correct my mistakes gently.
And just like that, you have a conversation partner, available 24 hours a day.
It will talk to you about anything, your day, your family, your hobbies, your work, your dreams, anything.
And here is what I love most about this. There is no embarrassment.
Zero embarrassment.
You make a mistake? It's okay. The AI will gently correct you. It won't laugh.
It won't make a face. It won't judge you. It won't tell its friends later, oh, you should hear how Kate speaks English.
Okay, that was very specific. Has someone done that to you?
We don't need to talk about that right now.
Okay, moving on.
Number 2, ask AI to correct your grammar.
This one is so practical, so useful for everyday life.
So here's what you do. You write a sentence, any sentence you want to say in real life, and you ask the AI, is this sentence correct? How can I improve it? Can you show me a more natural way to say this?
For example, you write, "Yesterday I have gone to the market."
And the AI will say, that's not quite right. The correct sentence is, yesterday I went to the market, and it will explain why.
It explains the grammar rule. It gives you examples. It's like having a private tutor.
A private tutor that works for free.
Every English learner's dream.
And here's a good exercise. Every day, write 5 sentences about your day. Then ask the AI to check them. Over time, your grammar will improve so much, you will be amazed.
That is such a good habit. Write 5 sentences, check them, learn from the corrections.
Simple, powerful, free.
Okay, number 3.
Number 3, use AI to practice pronunciation.
Now, this one is interesting because can AI really help with pronunciation?
Yes, maybe not in the same way a real teacher can listen to your voice, but here's what you can do. You type a word you are not sure about. For example, the word comfortable.
Oh, that word. So many people say it wrong.
They say, comfortable, 4 syllables.
But the real pronunciation is...
Comfortable, 3 syllables. The middle part disappears.
And you can ask the AI to break down any word like this. It will explain which part to stress, which sounds are silent, how to move your mouth.
And then, this is the key step. You say the word out loud, many times.
Yes, please don't just read it. Say it. Your mouth needs practice. Your tongue needs practice.
Think of it like exercise. If you only read about running, you won't get fit. You have to actually run.
English speaking is the same. You have to actually speak. Open your mouth, make the sounds, even alone in your room, even if it feels strange.
It will feel strange at first. That is completely normal.
And then, one day, it won't feel strange anymore. It will feel natural.
And that day is a wonderful day.
The best day. Number 4, and this is my personal absolute favorite.
Oh, I know what this one is. Tell them.
Role play. Use AI to role play real-life situations.
Yes, this one is so good.
So here is the idea. You ask the AI to pretend to be a character, a person in a real situation, and then you practice having that conversation in English.
For example, you type, pretend you are a doctor. I am your patient. Let's have a conversation about my health.
Or, pretend you are a job interviewer. I'm applying for a job. Ask me interview questions. Or, pretend you are a waiter at a restaurant. I am a customer. Let's practice ordering food.
Any situation that makes you nervous in real life, you can practice it first, at home, with AI, as many times as you want.
I love this because when the real situation comes, you're not panicking. You have already done it 10 times.
20 times maybe.
In your pajamas at home.
Yes, and nobody needs to know that. It's your secret practice.
secret English practice in pajamas. I love it.
And when you walk into that job interview or that doctor's office or that restaurant, you feel ready, you feel confident.
Confidence changes everything in language learning. Everything.
It really does.
And number 5, the last one.
Number 5, use AI to build your vocabulary every single day.
This one is so easy to do and so effective.
So every morning or every evening, whatever works for you, you open ChatGPT and you type, "Teach me 5 new English words for today. Give me the meaning and an example sentence for each one."
And it gives you 5 words with definitions, with examples. Every day.
That is 5 words a day, 35 words a week, over 100 words a month.
Your vocabulary grows so fast.
And you can make it specific. You can say, "Teach me 5 words about emotions," or 5 words I can use at work, or 5 words for describing food.
It's personalized to your life, your needs.
And then, the most important step, use those words today in a sentence, out loud.
Don't just learn them, use them.
Say them, use them, own them.
Martin loves that phrase.
Because it's true.
Okay, everyone. We always do a practice section in our videos, and today we are going to show you exactly how an AI English conversation looks. Martin is going to be the AI. I am going to be the English learner.
I am ready. I am going into AI mode now. Beep, beep, beep.
Oh no, what was that sound?
That was me turning into a robot.
You are a very strange robot.
The best kind. Okay, I am ready. Hello, I am your English practice assistant. How can I help you today?
Hello, I want to practice my English. Can we talk about my morning routine?
Of course. I would love to hear about your morning. What is the first thing you do when you wake up?
When I wake up, I drink a glass of water, then I wash my face. After that, I make coffee.
That is wonderful. Very natural English. You used "after that" to connect your ideas. That is excellent. One small suggestion. You can also say, "First, I drink water. Then, I wash my face. And finally, I make coffee."
Oh, I love that. First, then, finally. Those are connector words.
Exactly. And the AI teaches you those things naturally inside a real conversation, not from a grammar book, not from a boring list.
You learn the grammar by using it, by speaking it, by living it.
That is the most powerful way to learn any language.
Okay, let's do one more. Martin, go back into robot mode.
Okay. Beep, beep, beep.
Stop making that sound.
I can't help it. It's part of the experience. Okay, hello again. Would you like to practice a real-life situation today?
Yes, please. I want to practice ordering food at a restaurant.
Perfect. Welcome to Daily English Boost Cafe. My name is Martin, and I will be your server today. Can I start you with something to drink?
Yes, please. I would like a glass of water and a coffee with milk, please.
Excellent choice. And are you ready to order your food, or would you like a few more minutes?
I think I am ready. I would like the pasta, please.
Perfect. Did you hear that, everyone? Kate used "I would like," which is polite and natural. She used "please," very important in English. And she answered the question clearly and confidently.
And honestly, when I'm in a real restaurant now, I feel so much more relaxed because I've practiced these phrases so many times.
Practice removes fear. Remember that.
Practice removes fear. Write that down. Okay, let's do a quick vocabulary review. We used some important words today. Martin, take us through them.
Okay. First word, artificial intelligence. Say it with me, everyone. Artificial intelligence.
Artificial means not natural, made by humans. Intelligence means the ability to think and learn.
So, artificial intelligence, a computer that can think and learn like a human.
Second word, confidence. Say it. Confidence.
Confidence means you believe in yourself. You feel strong. You are not scared.
I feel confident speaking English. Can you make a sentence with confident? Try it right now. Say it out loud.
Third word, fluent. Fluent means you speak a language easily and naturally, without stopping, without thinking too much.
My goal is to speak English fluently. What is your goal?
And our fourth word for today, practice. We say this word a lot because it is the most important word in language learning.
Practice means you do something again and again to get better.
I practice English every day. Even Martin practices English every day.
Even Martin.
Even me. Learning never stops, no matter how good you become.
Okay, we are coming to the end of today's video, but before we go, let's do a quick summary together.
Yes, because summaries help you remember. So let's go through everything we learned today.
Today, we talked about how to use AI, specifically ChatGPT, to practice English speaking every day at home.
And we gave you 5 powerful ways to do it.
Number 1,
Use AI as your daily conversation partner. Talk about anything, every day.
Number 2,
Ask AI to correct your grammar, write sentences, get feedback, improve.
Number 3,
Use AI for pronunciation help. Learn how to say words correctly, then say them out loud.
Number 4,
Role play real situations. Practice conversations you will actually have in real life.
and number 5,
Build your vocabulary every day. 5 new words every single day.
and the most important message of everything we said today.
You don't need to be perfect to start. You need to start to become better.
Start today, not tomorrow, not next Monday, today.
Open ChatGPT. Write 1 sentence in English. Have 1 small conversation. That is enough for day 1.
And then do it again tomorrow, and the day after that, and the day after that.
Small steps every day. That is how fluency happens.
That is how confidence is built.
1 conversation at a time.
Now it is time for our favorite part of every video, the question of the day.
Yes! And today's question is very simple, very important.
The question is, have you ever used AI to practice English? And if not, will you try it after watching this video?
Write your answer in the comments below. Even 1 sentence is perfect.
You can write, I will try ChatGPT today, or I already use AI and it helped me a lot.
Or even, I am nervous to try, but I will do it. That is a great answer too.
Honestly, we read every single comment. Everyone.
Everyone, it is one of our favorite things to do. Read your comments, see your progress, hear your stories.
You are not alone in this journey. We are all learning together.
And we are so proud of every single one of you who is here watching this, learning, trying, not giving up.
That takes courage, really. Learning a new language as an adult, that takes real courage.
So be proud of yourself today. Even if your English is not perfect, you are here, you are trying. That means everything.
Before we go, if this video helped you even a little bit, please give it a like. It helps so many more people find our channel.
And subscribe if you haven't already. We make new videos every week. Real English, real conversations, real practice.
Click the bell so you never miss a new video from us.
And share this video with one friend who is also learning English, because learning together is always better than learning alone.
From both of us here at Daily English Boost,
Keep speaking,
keep practicing,
keep going.
and we will see you in the next one.
Bye, everyone.
Bye!